I'm one of the very first graduates of Van's original Super Trader program in 2010. After teaching for more than 10 years now at the Institute, many hundreds of students have gone through my course. And with each one, I got better and better as a coach as well. So my simple and effective plan got refined over time more and more. It is interesting how now it helps traders reach consistent profitability in a couple of months only. While 2 years back, I was very happy for them to be able to do so within 1 year. Now, there are many trader examples who did it in less than 6 months, even complete novices. Let's see and hear what some of those traders of the master's class have to say.
I was a bit of a window shopper as I didn't have much experience building or trading real systems that worked. I didn't have any sort of system at all. From what I know now, they absolutely were not complete systems. They were just little pieces. Like it wasn't everything put together in a way that would systematically be profitable.
Beginner trader, based on what I understand trading to be nowadays, it was just randomly kind of doing things in the market and shooting myself in the foot. Really didn't know what I was doing. My approach was really very much discretionary, didn't have any system to follow. Was as a result, right, my trading performance not consistent at all.
Actually, I didn't know anything about trading. I have no idea about technical analysis or looking at the chart. I didn't know about candles or moving averages.
Trading was scattered best. It didn't really have that much of a structure. I had some ideas.
Okay, so Gabriel's systems are complete in the best way of thinking about it, right? The edges are pretty fantastic. What was really surprising to me about the rules was how it characterizes emotional moments in the market. It allows the trader to capitalize on the exact opposite of what most people are doing. And that was really surprising to me. I thought it was incredibly clever.
I think Gabriel is giving me a lot of guidance to move forward. The simulation process is eye-opening. We slice it in a small chunk of each component on the system, and that's how we build the expertise in anything. And then we see the feedback straight away, what we did wrong and what we did right. Patterns is everywhere.
To implement a system, it's not like just a walk in the park. I didn't know what I didn't know before. I had no idea what it takes to actually fully implement a system and to make it your own. Mistakes are not only unavoidable, but also it's a necessity. Coaching and feedback really helped me to make the most out of my mistakes. The patterns are magical. The more I use it, the more I'm constantly amazed as to how to.
The journey for the past year has been fantastic, to be honest. And I think this is really down to Gabriel's approach and the support that he gives and the ongoing support through the year. I was so naive. I didn't know what I didn't know. I was in that bottom corner of the unconscious incompetence. There are frustrations along the route, and Gabriel is a master at guiding you through the psychology of the trading as well, because he's been there and done it. The expert guidance you get from Gabriel is just fantastic.
I think I finally stopped my search for systems. And you're going into the market, being calm, collected, and confident. This is a fantastic state to be in.
It's not easy. If it was easy, everyone would do it. And to have that help and that guidance along the way has been phenomenal, has made it really stress-free, and has made me into a consistently profitable trader now. So it's been fantastic. I think it would have been impossible, and I was just so naive to think that I could just do it on my own. I wouldn't have got there without the help and the support from Gabriel over the year.
Is the confidence as a trader much more mature and seasoned, turning into a consistently profitable trader? That was a turning point. It was almost like shocking, completely a new identity, confidence that, as long as the market is there, I'll always be able to trade profitably.
Do you want to be part of those great traders and fascinating personalities? Register as long as you can with a steep discount for the special combo offer.